Fear is the biggest thing getting started in jewelry making, but when you take one of my classes, I make you feel right at home. I supply just about anything that you need, so you can come in with nothing, walk out with a really, really, really nice, exquisite Alvin Yellowhorse piece.
Having them care about you finishing your project is huge. Knowing you're going to get to take a piece that's wearable makes a big difference.
Teaching my skills requires a lot. It's, almost 40 years I've been doing jewelry. It's really neat to pass that knowledge along to other people that may be able to use it one day. It's a technique that's going to be lost here pretty soon. So maybe, teaching other people will keep it going and keep it alive.
We were not only learning his techniques for texturing, but also the inlay, which I've never done before. So that was really fascinating. Picking each stone, trying to get it color coordinated to what you wanted. Then you have to cut each piece of stone and shape it to fit in where it belongs. So it was quite a process.
It's a lot of fun teaching people. I have people that come in that don't know nothing. I have people that are experienced, and those people I usually learn from them. You pick up new tricks and new techniques, stuff like that.
I didn't expect to make something like this. It was all put together pretty well. I really enjoyed it.
He's just like the best of the best. It was really exciting to meet him and to learn from him and see the process. He's very easygoing, very down to earth, helpful. Yeah, so it was a good experience.
You never know who you're going to meet, how it's going to influence your work, and that is really a key thing.
Overcome your fear and jump right in with both feet. That's what I'd say.